Sharberry, thank you so much for having me over to give my views and to share my views and giving me this platform to do so. So I'm Prima Thakur, friends, and I have been a yoga teacher for the last 20 years. And during my yoga experience, I've had power yoga classes taken. I do prenatal yoga and I do therapy yoga as well. And my actually forte is power yoga, where we are concentrating on inch loss and building up your stamina and flexibility. And I take regular classes. Besides this, I'm also a Heal Your Life workshop facilitator, where we, dive deep into ourselves and we are coming out with our best potential. And I'm also a psychogeometric workshop facilitator, where we talk about different shapes used to identify different personalities. And that helps us to have better communications and relationships with others. So friends, this is me, Rima Thakur, for you guys, and I'm really, really privileged to be here. Thank you so much. Frankly speaking, I am a little against the thing of women's empowerment. I feel, why do we talk about women's empowerment? I mean, we are already empowered. So we all have the right as individuals, be it men, be it women, we all have the right for having power within us. So I would say each individual should have the power, and empowerment is self-power and not power over somebody. So a lot of time people want to empower by having power over somebody or by demeaning somebody or by making somebody feel small. No, that is not being empowered. That is having self-power to progress yourself in the right direction. Now, most times, as somebody, one of you also said, that we feel we want to be empowered by in comparison to men by but that is not what I feel. I feel many times it is we women only who pull women down. It could be because of our insecurities, it could be because of jealousy, it could be because of some competitiveness or something. So it's very, very important to have the back of other women, have give them all the support possible. And why, again, I always feel, why should it be restricted to women? Men also have the right to be equal, because many times, you know what happens, in empowerment ke chakkar mein hum log we start being a little unfair to the men. So what I believe in, men have equal rights as women. And men have equal rights for their own freedom, for their own choices. But at the same time, women also have that equality. It's not that women have more and men have less, or men have more and women have less. For me, empowerment is also the ability to say yes when we want to say yes, the ability to say no when we want to say no, and have boundaries without feeling guilty about it. Okay. Right. Have strong boundaries, but don't let them be so strong that you don't have loving relationships coming in. It should not come in the way of your relationships and love. But at the same time, you're having your boundaries flexible and porous enough that, of course, as I said, allows healthy relationships and deep, meaningful relationships. Empowerment also for me is where women are emotionally, physically, and financially independent and strong, so that if they ever need to walk away from a toxic relationship that's completely destroying them, they are strong enough to walk out of it and live a very, very independent life without the support of others. That's if you feel the need for it. So that we all should have the ability to gauge for it and be strong enough. When we need to take a step, we need to take a step and not let anything stop us from it. And yes, also not depending on others for approval for everything. There are many times when you feel very strongly about something, and it is not with the norm of society. It's not the way, well, what others normally think. But we are so empowered and we are so confident to go on with our actions, because we are completely confident of our belief about it, and not wait for others' approval. So have that empowerment. Empowerment also means to give in at some time. There are times it's okay to give in. मुझे ये लगता है, friends, let me tell you all these views are my personal views, okay? So there are times when you have a certain belief about something, and there are times when because अपने loved ones के खुशी के लिए कुछ करना पड़ता है, थोड़ा छोड़ देना पड़ता है, to let go. It's okay. So even that is empowerment, to let go at times where it is not intruding into your boundaries too much. So if I had to sum it all off, I would say empowerment for me is to have the power to have a very, very balanced life where I'm able to have control over my life. But at the same time, I'm able to perform my duties. I'm able to have loving relationships in my life as well. So that's what my views.